Hey, hope you're having a good one. In today's video, I want to show you how to achieve a low cut or a high cut filter in Logic Pro X and how to automate one so that it increases over time. So this is a really common effect used in a lot of pop and electronic music. You hear it in big name artists like Katy Perry, and a lot of the time they use a high cut, so it's an effect like you've left a club and you can just hear the bass from outside, and that can be a really cool effect for bridges and things. And yeah, this effect is really easy to do, and it's a great way to transition between sections of a track and build up energy and tension. So what we're going to do first is show the output track. So we'll go track, show output track. If you already have it showing, then that's great. And so now we've got our stereo out track down here. We're going to click on it and we're going to add the EQ single band EQ plugin. So this is the easiest plugin for doing this. And so as I was saying, you can see we've got our low cut mode and our high cut mode. So if you want your song to sound pretty much how it does normally, then click on low cut and turn the frequency all the way down. So I'll just play the track real quick. So it's just a little thing I've been working on, and that's how it sounds. And now I'm going to play around with this a bit. You'll hear that the higher I put the frequency, the more of the bass it cuts out. And so you will want to increase this over time and then drop it straight down probably. And the Q factor changes the resonance of the sweep. So the higher the Q factor, the more kind of noticeable the change is. And you'll hear what I mean. So you get the idea, that's the kind of effect it gives you, and yeah, it kind of makes a more tinny sound, and it can be really good when you're rising towards a drop where there's heaps of bass. So what you do is you slowly cut the bass out, and then it's just going to come back in. And now I'm going to show you how to automate this. So there are two ways. The first is that you can click here and set it to touch, and then you can just move this knob. So I'll give you a demo so we can do it like this. So now that's been recorded as automation into Logic. If you know anything about automation, you should understand this. If not, I suggest you learn a bit more about automation. So now I'll press A and we can see the automation, and I'll select the single EQ frequency, and you can see what we input. And now it will play back like that every time you play your track. So I'm going to delete this, and the second way of course is to come into the automation like here. So we'll go into single EQ frequency, and then we can just kind of add 2 points and do it that way, and you'll achieve the same effect. And so then we can do the same thing for a high cut. So we want to start it open so it's not cutting out anything, and then we're going to turn it down, and you'll hear that it sounds like we've left a club, and gives that kind of effect. And so now that's been coded in there like this. Cool, so that's all I wanted to show you guys. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped you out. If it did, let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel. And most importantly, head over to my website for heaps more cool stuff.